Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Singh, a senior student of American Institute of English Language Khalilabad Center, and today I am at Lucknow Institute and he is owner of this institute, Mr. D.K. Maurya sir. And today we decided to have a group discussion on a very famous and important topic, that is AI, artificial intelligence. So let's start. So for this discussion, we have a group of Nidhi ma'am, Shailendra sir, Jyoti ma'am and Abhishek sir, and they will be talking about what is AI, pros and cons of AI and about its conclusion. So shall we start now?
By all means.
So first of all, tell me that what is AI?
First of all, I would like to clear one point, because whenever we hear the word AI, we always think about photos, videos and voice changer, etc. But this is not the real meaning of AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. So this is a type of intelligence which is a combination of machine and software. In simple way, we can say the work which can human do, machine can also do.
And you know, this is not the new topic. It has been coming since 1950, and the father of AI is John McCarthy, and day by day it developed a lot and came at a broad level, and now 50% works are done by AI, because in AI human don't need to give hard efforts for any work, because machine can do your works with its intelligence.
Okay, well explained by you both. Now AI is used everywhere. So who will tell me that at which places we use AI?
Yes, AI is used at many places.
First of all, if we talk about vehicles, so there are so many vehicles which are autopilot and driverless. As you may have heard, Elon Musk launched a car which is a driverless car, because there are so many sensors which can sense the location, speed, breakers and so on. And the second example is related to robots, because nowadays many robots are working at the place of human. Like if I talk about hospitals and medical, so many robots are working as a doctor, staff nurse and workers. And you know, many surgeries successfully done with the help of robots, and still they are doing this.
Yes, I do agree with his point. We can take the example of pandemic corona. When corona was spreading too much, coming in the contact of any corona patient, so that time many robots worked as a nurse and a ward boy, and they worked carrying patient and giving medicine, etc. And there was no any fear of spreading corona human to human, and no any loss of life.
Not only in medical line. If we talk about our defense, they are taking the help of AI and robots. As like if any country attacks, so at the border there are many sensors which can protect us and they defuse enemy's missiles. Many countries are using helicopters, which ones without pilot. It goes to the place and attack, so there is no loss of life of a pilot.
And in defense, people are using drones, robots, cyborg, etc.
What is cyborg?
Cyborg is a combination of machines, humans or animals. Cyborg is made by two words, cybernetic plus organisms, means a living being whose power are enhanced by computer implants mechanical body parts.
Thank you. AI is also used in our daily life, where human don't need to work, as there are so many malls in which there is no any work of human. If you want to purchase anything, go to the mall, the product which you want to purchase, take it. Scan the barcode and come outside, and your money will be debited from your bank account.
And yes, there is no any need of cashier card, etc.
And nowadays we are watching so many videos on Insta and Facebook which are also made by artificial intelligence.
As you see Modi ji singing a song in his voice and it getting viral.
Yeah, it is also based on AI.
And AI also can help you for your study, as like ChatGPT, Amazon, Alexa, Google search engine and YouTube and so many things.
Yes, and with the help of AI, you can increase your mind also, like chess game. You can play chess with computer and improve your mind. That is also working on AI.
Yeah, really it's fantastic. Now we should talk about the disadvantages of AI. So please tell me the disadvantages.
The first demerit of AI is these are machine and software. You know, software can be hacked. Suppose if we are taking any work by robot, if we are driving a car, we have applied many sensors at our home. So as you know, hackers can hack all these things. So it can be out of control and it can be harm you also, because after all it is a machine.
Yes, we have talked about defense. Suppose any terrorist has hijacked any place, and if you send a robot to save people, so robot can also harm other people.
And there is also job crisis after coming AME, as like laborers work, dubbing artists, editors, guard, etc.
but one thing which robot can't replace, as like officers and administrations.
Okay, but one job will increase after coming AI.
And what job?
Electronics and electrical job.
Okay, after discussing all the points, we can say that nowadays people are depending on AI and really it is helping a lot and must aware of some issues which have been discussed. For now, I think it's enough and next time again we will discuss deeply on this topic. So thank you very much and nice discussion with you all. Thank you very much. So we all are the student of American Institute of English Language खलीलाबाद सेंटर. तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं इंग्लिश सीखने का एक बेहतरीन प्लेटफॉर्म तो आप आ सकते हैं अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टीचर्स कॉलोनी शुगर मिल रोड खलीलाबाद संत कबीर नगर या आप दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं 8795745199. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड अ बिग थैंक्स टू सर. यह इन्हीं का सेंटर है जो लखनऊ कंप्यूटर टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट के नाम से खलीलाबाद में स्थित है. तो सर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
पहले तो आकांक्षा हम आपको और आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को थैंक्स बोलना चाहेंगे कि आप लोग जो है एआई के बारे में और आईटी के बारे में इतना सोच रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारी गवर्नमेंट भी आजकल चाह रही है कि हर पब्लिक के जो है स्किल की तरफ बढ़ावा हो. तो अगर आप लोग इस तरह से आगे आ रहे हैं तो हमारे देश में इस तरह से ग्रोथ होगा. और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर हम इस तरह से एआई फीचर्स के बारे में और आईटी के बारे में अगर जानकारी रखेंगे तो इसमें देश का ही नहीं हमारा भी ग्रोथ होता रहेगा, हम आगे की तरफ जा सकते हैं. यानी हमारा फ्यूचर बहुत ही ब्राइट होगा और अच्छा होगा. तो एक बार दोबारा मैं आपको और आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को थैंक्स बोलना चाहेंगे कि आप लोग ऐसे ही इसके लिए बारे में बताएं, एआई फीचर्स के बारे में बताएं, जिससे पब्लिक को अपने इंटेलिजेंसी के बारे में पता होता रहे. थैंक यू.